Hello guys, what is up and welcome back to part 2 of creating a lookalike audience. You can see here from the last video our audience is now populated of a size of basically 2.1 million. We built that audience based on website traffic for the luxury armored case that I'm selling. And now I'm going to show you something a little bit more advanced with lookalike audiences, and we can actually break them up into the certain percentages and create up to 8 audiences in one go. So basically, again, going to go to create audience, lookalike audience, and again we're going to use source luxury armor website traffic. Pick that up there. Going to target the United States again, and here you can see we're back at this screen. So in here we showed you we can create 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%, and every time our audience is getting bigger, so we're just getting this massive audience. And if you want to test, if you want to test a 2% audience against a 1% audience, you're going to have everyone who's in the 1% is also in the 2%. So you're not really testing the audiences against each other. So what we can do is go into show advanced options. Okay, so now we're in here. You can see this changed down here a little bit, and we can choose the number of audiences we want to create. So what I normally like to do when I'm creating an audience is go in here and create 6, and I'll create these 6 different audiences here. So I'll create 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and then I'll go 4 to 6 and 6 to 8, and I'll test each of these 6 audiences. And what this allows us to do is compare our 0 to 1% audience against our 1 to 2% audience. It lets us compare our 2 to 3% audience against our 3 to 4, and it lets us compare all these different audiences. If all these are working well for you and you're getting sales profitably, go ahead and break these down. Just go saying you want to make 1 and go ahead and break it down and go 6 to 7, or go 6, 7 to 8, or just whatever you want, or you can break it down into these last 3, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, and test them out as well. I mean, this isn't an exact science, so you might test 0 to 1 doesn't work for you, but 4 to 5 works like crazy. One of my best performing ads on a big product I sell is a 3 to 4% lookalike audience. So you've really got to get in there, guys, and really narrow down what you're targeting and test everything, because you can spend $30 testing things and not get any sales and think, oh, I wasted all that money. But you spend that extra $5 and you find that winning ad set that can make you literally have ad sets that have made me over 10 grand. Like, it's all about doing the testing and finding them ones that are going to make you a lot of money. So get in there and get testing it and test these out. So again, I'll show you exactly what I do here is go, can I move these down like this? No. So 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, and 6 to 8. And simply just go create audience. You've already created a lookalike audience with the same source, country, and size. Okay, so we've created a 1%. So if we move all these up 1, we should be able to make it. And we'll go 5 to 7, 7 to 9. It's because we created that. We already have our 0 to 1% one here. So now we have 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4 to 5, or 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 7, and then 7 to 9. So all these will eventually populate, and you can test them out as well and see what is actually working. You can do the exact same thing for your buyer custom audience, your website traffic, and test this out, guys, especially on your winning products. Make sure you're setting up lookalike audiences. It's key to scaling up your campaigns and getting more sales per day. You'll want to be rolling in targeting as many different things as possible when your product is hot, so you can pick up all them sales and get all them leads while you can. So there you go, guys. It's a really good tip. I'm not sure a lot of people actually know about this. It was a feature added in the Facebook quite a while back, but I know people are using the lookalike audiences and they're using the standard, but this advanced technique is really simple. to break down your lookalike audience and find where your buyers are. So get in there, test it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.